Hello guys, welcome back to Bite Buddies. So today we're going to try a South Indian rice variety which is called ghee rice. As you know, in the South we do a lot of rice varieties like lemon rice, tomato rice, tamarind rice, pudina rice, onion rice, so and so. So likewise today we're going to try ghee rice. This is going to be completely done using ghee instead of oil. So most of the ingredients will be roasted using ghee, and then on top of that we're going to use basmati rice for that extra aroma. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get in and see what are the ingredients that we need for this recipe. So this is a list of ingredients that we need for the ghee rice. So we have a chopped onion and green leaves and ghee and basmati rice and some spices like a star anise, cardamom, tejpata, and you have pepper. We have this cloves and bayleaf.